Today we're exploring the journey of Dan Schneider, the former Nickelodeon creator behind iconic hits like iCarly, Drake and Josh, and Victorious. Once the most powerful producer in children's television, his legacy has faced intense scrutiny following allegations of creating a toxic workplace and inappropriate behavior on set. So, where is Dan Schneider now? Let's find out. For over 2 decades, Dan Schneider was the creative force behind Nickelodeon's golden age. His production company, Schneider's Bakery, launched the careers of global superstars like Ariana Grande and Victoria Justice. However, his tenure ended abruptly in 2018 when Nickelodeon parted ways with him following an internal investigation into his behavior. After the split, Schneider largely disappeared from the public eye, living a private life while undergoing a significant physical transformation, losing over 100 pounds. His name returned to headlines in early 2024 with the release of the docuseries Quiet on Set: The Dark Side of Kids TV. The series featured former child stars and crew members who alleged a culture of verbal abuse, sexism, and boundary-crossing behavior on his sets. In response, Schneider released a lengthy video interview apologizing for his past actions, admitting he was often immature and that his behavior was embarrassing. Where is Dan Schneider now? As of now, Dan Schneider is primarily focused on legal action and a quiet attempt to return to the entertainment industry. Following the backlash from the documentary, he filed a high-profile defamation lawsuit against the producers of Quiet on Set, claiming the series destroyed his reputation by falsely implying he was a predator. In mid-2025, a judge cleared the way for the case to head toward trial, which is currently expected to begin in early 2026. Professionally, Schneider is no longer associated with Nickelodeon, but he is working on several mature projects. He has recently been developing a new pilot for a streaming service that is reportedly aimed at an adult audience, moving away from the kids' content that defined his career. He also maintains a producer credit on the upcoming 2025-2026 Henry Danger movie, a project stemming from his final Nickelodeon series. Personally, he continues to live in the Los Angeles area with his wife, Lisa Lillian. He has maintained a very low social media presence, using his platforms only to release official statements regarding his legal battles and his time at Nickelodeon. Dan Schneider has transitioned from an untouchable television mogul to a controversial figure fighting to reclaim his name in court. While his creative future remains uncertain, he is actively seeking a path back to Hollywood through new, adult-oriented content. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.